I'm going to show you a strategy that you can make up to $2,000 a month with YouTube automation. But you have to sacrifice a few things. 2 months of your time and patience, some investments, and lastly, not being a fucking lazy person. And that's all. I'm 100% sure that if you do this exactly as I teach, within the next 2 months, you will have a monetized YouTube channel. Now, you should decide whether you are going to watch this video till the end or skip this. Because if you are not going to implement any of the things I'm about to show you, there is no point in watching this video. You can apply this strategy to a lot of niches such as mystery facts about the world, true crime stories, wisdom motivation, what-if niche, and more. For this video, I'm going to select mystery facts about the world. What we are going to do is upload 4 long videos per week and 1 short video a day. Trust me, within a month, you will be able to reach your first 1,000 subscribers. So let's start this process. First, I'm going to show you a manual method to create videos for this niche, and then I will show you how to automate this. So let's start by looking for video ideas for this niche. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask like this. I will leave this exact prompt in the comments section. As you can see here, we have 10 video ideas for our channel. Now we need to make scripts for each of these topics. I have created this specific prompt. You can just copy and paste it into the ChatGPT and only change the topic of the video. By using this prompt, you can create a unique, engaging, natural, and creative video script with ChatGPT. As you can see here, the script for the video is completed. This is a script for a long video. So now you must read this script and get a good idea about what it is about. The next step is to create voiceovers for this script. As usual, I'm going to use 11 Labs for that. For this niche, I would prefer to have a deep voice that can narrate a story in a mysterious way, so I think this voice, which is James, is good for this video. Let's select it, and then all you need to do is copy and paste the script we generated to 11 Labs and create voiceovers. It's as simple as that. After you generate all the voiceovers for the script, we need to generate images for this story. I will show you a method to create accurate images using ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create image-generating prompts for this script. Then we can use Leonardo AI to generate images using those prompts. Okay, now we can use these prompts to generate images. Let's go to Leonardo AI and generate the images. I like this comic-looking style of images, so let's use this model, and then you can adjust the sizes of the images to landscape, because these images are for a long video. Then copy the prompts we generated and create the images. So carefully create all the images you need. After that, you can use a video editor like CapCut to edit the final video. I know this manual method will take some of your time, but try to make at least 1 short video per day. Let me show you the automation method. For this, I'm going to use Smart Short AI. It's a video generator where you can create 100% unique videos for any category. I know there are a lot of video generators available, but this is the only AI that has the ability to generate long-form videos. So, for those who don't have time to use the manual method to create your videos for this niche, you can use this AI tool. Let me show you how to use it. First, let's create a long-form video, and then we can create short video. After you sign up for your account, click this dashboard option and click this new project option. Now, this is where the magic happens. Here you can ask this AI to generate a script for your video's topic, or you can simply add your script to this. As you remember, we already have a video script. So, I'm just going to copy that whole script and paste it in here. Okay, now if you click this icon, you can see there are several video sizes available for different platforms. So, this is a long-form video, therefore we must select landscape mode. Or you can say 16:9 ratio. Now, click this next button, and it will bring you to this page. For long videos, they have 8 realistic AI voices. I hope they will add more voices to this in the future. Check for the best AI voice to narrate this story. I'm going to select this one, and let's go to the next page. As you can see here, it says 1 footage for every 2.5 seconds. I'm going to decrease it to 2 seconds and make sure to enable all these options to get a quality output. Especially this one, it will remove all the silent parts in the video. After that, click this generate button. After it's completed, you can click this and edit some details. As you can see here, you can edit the colors of the captions and emojis that they have used to make these captions. And if you don't like the caption style, you can click this styles option and change the caption style. They have around 20 amazing caption styles, so if you want, you can just change the existing captions. Let's say that you don't like the footages that they have used. You can go to this footages and update the images. To be honest, this AI has done an amazing job of creating these images. If there are any images that are not matching with the script, you can replace them using this update button. And finally, you can add a background music using this option. There are several background music available here. You can add mysterious background music to this video if you want. You can just upload an external music to this and add it to your video. After you edit all the details, click this save button and download the video. Let's see how it looks like.
Have you ever heard of a book that no one can read? A book filled with strange drawings, unknown plants, and mysterious codes? Welcome to the world of the Voynich manuscript, the world's most mysterious book. Found in an old Italian villa over 100 years ago, the Voynich manuscript has baffled historians, scientists, and cryptographers alike. It's written in a language that doesn't exist anywhere else in the world. Sounds like something straight out of a Dan Brown novel, right? But this isn't fiction. This is real. And despite countless attempts, no one has cracked its code. Some say it's a secret recipe book. Others think it's a medieval guide to magic, but the truth, still a mystery. Over the years, people have proposed all kinds of theories. Is it an elaborate hoax, a secret code from an ancient civilization, or perhaps the work of an alien intelligence?
Yeah, that was perfect. So it's up to you guys to use the AI tool for your projects, or you can always do the manual method. This AI tool offers 3 plans. The basic one, which is $19, allows you to create 20 videos per month with premium voice and HD quality. The Expert Edition, which is $39, has 50 videos per month. And finally, the Pro Edition offers 100 videos a month. If you decide to purchase any of these packages, use the link in the description and use this promo code to get a 10% discount. Now, let's create a short video. Just like we did before going to a new project, this time, I'm going to ask this AI tool to generate the script as well. This video is going to be about the unsolved mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. So, let's write it as the prompt. As you can see here, this AI has generated the script as well. Now, you need to select the correct size for this video from here. Now, for short videos, this AI offers more than 50 premium AI voices, so select a good voice like we did before, and make sure to allow these options as well. And let's generate the video.
The Bermuda Triangle, a stretch of ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, is notorious for its unsolved mysteries. Imagine setting sail on a clear day, only to vanish without a trace. It's happened to countless ships and planes.
This short video is also perfect. So, just like this, make sure to create at least 4 long videos per week and 1 short video per day. You can achieve your first 1,000 subscribers within just a month. So, if you're really going to start a channel today, drop a comment, and I will check your channel personally. We can see the results in a month. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you in the next video.